So I've got this amplifier here. It's got a little bit of a problem. The volume's really chunky and the speakers cut out. Let's see if we can fix this. This thing's from 1980, making it 45 years old. Likely dirt has got into the volume slider causing this problem. Be sure to stay away from these capacitors. High voltage, very dangerous. And this kind of surprised me. I was expecting to see the switches down here on the metal, but they put everything up here on the lid. This was likely done for ease of assembly. It's got some kind of shielding here. Must be what makes it hi-fi. Not a problem though, we'll get it reattached with the right tools. And there she is. Honestly, I was expecting to see two of these, one for a left channel and a right channel, but I guess the one is just doing both. And we got the Magic Max right here. This stuff dries with no smell and no residue. Just a couple squirts here, that's all she needs. Now I'm just gonna lap it in here to make a nice clean polished surface so we have nice smooth contact being made here. This probably doesn't help either. We need this fader to go all the way over to the left and right. But it's having some trouble with that, so we'll see if something's in the way. What's going on? So for whatever reason, the stick of the rheostat probably got put in the wrong hole, not allowing it to travel where it needs to. And I'm glad this was that easy. This was bugging me, more so than the volume problem. Now it's this thing's turn. I'm sure this has something to do with shielding the EMF from the power supply. I'd have put it in its own box, but again, manufacturing. Overall, this thing was pretty easy to work on. Might I even call it serviceable? Okay, except for this part right here. This kind of got me. These long switch extensions. They wouldn't really take to lining up until... There we go.